live account with Space Markets and get ready. So what I'm going to do in this video today is show you exactly how you guys can create a live account with Space Market. If you do this, guys, you get access to such a good broker. You guys can get involved. There will be a link down in the descriptions, guys, for you to obviously join me on this trading journey. Okay, guys, I give insight to the markets. I also have free training. And the easiest way for you guys to get all that information is literally create an account with Space Markets, just like I'm showing you in this video, and you guys get free access to my training. So without further ado, let me show you how this magic works. Okay guys, so now that we're at the landing page, I just want you to fill in all your information. I'm going to do it exactly how you should do it. And guys, please make sure you use your best email so you can verify it. And also guys, this is going to be the email you're going to use in order to log into your details, to make withdrawals, XYZ. Okay, and then also guys, this is going to be the email that you're going to get information on when the trainings are going to happen. So make sure you use the right one. Cool. So over here, guys, we're literally just going to put in the information. I'm opening an account for my brother. So, because I've already got an account, can't have two accounts. But anyway, let me just carry on with it. Okay guys, so now that we've finished actually doing the whole registration, please make sure guys that the partner code stays there, because that means you guys are going to get the training that you've wanted. Remember, if you don't have it there, then we can't send you the information based on the trading that is going to happen within the week and the months, and for as long as you're going to stay with Space Markets. If you need any help with verification, guys, you can always message me, comments on this video, or actually follow any of the prompts after this, or any of the links in the description will help you get in there quicker. So let's register this. Perfect. So guys, this is the most important part about getting your account sorted, because if you don't do this, then it's just not going to help you. Okay, we need to go now and check if that is in our e-box. So guys, you'll get an email just like this. Goldman's just forwarded it to me so I can show you guys what it looks like. You will receive this email. Now you need to click on the link below here in order to get yourself sorted. So now everything should be verified. You should get this email that states it, email confirmation. Now everything's successful. Okay, so once we've done that, we click on it. So you don't have to go and register. Boom, we're in Colvin's account. Okay, now what I want you guys to make sure you do, okay, exit, and it must say your information over here. And guys, it's so important, please just go through these prompting here. Please read what it's saying, because if you don't do this right, you're not going to be able to trade on the trading account. And we want to do things and make sure we are compliant. You need a brokerage that is regulated and also does this. So don't do this. The companies can't work with you because they don't know who you are. Forex CFDs, guys, that's what we teach. Don't choose any of the other ones because it'll be very confusing for you to understand them. Let's keep this simple. So Forex CFDs, frequency of transactions, we are going to say weekly or daily. Monthly, not really. Okay, that means you only have one trade in a month. We are going to be doing daily or weekly, you decide that. With my trading strategy, guys, you'll be doing daily trading, but sometimes we're only entering a week, so we can literally just say daily. Trading received, we are going to say self-trained, degree holder. You're going to say course for now, because you're going to be going underneath our training. The average volume of transactions per USD, just say less than $10,000 because we're in South Africa. If you think you're going to do more than that, guys, and you're outside of SA, then please just state so. Your years of experience, if you do have any experience over that, please just illustrate there. Right now, that is all we're going to say. Okay, now we're going to submit this for verification. Okay, and then that's successful, done, sorted. Now all I want you guys to do again, once we're done here, you can see personal profiles been done. We've saw the success, and now we want to go to security. Guys, you're going to choose your password if you want to change it now. Okay, if you don't like what you had earlier, you can change it now. Decide whether or not we're going to do that. I want you guys to go to the top of your screen on the right hand side, as you can see I have. And we're going to now try and make sure that we verify ourselves. So you go to verification, and then now it's going to ask you for your documentation. Guys, please go through this slowly, because if you don't, again, like I said, with your bank statements, if you haven't got your physical address aligned with your bank statement, they're going to deny you access. So we proceed again. Okay, remember, you need to make sure that you say yes to this. Okay, now we're going to go step 1, provide identity doc. Guys, that can be your smart ID or that can be your green book for South Africa. Okay, so guys, like I said, if you're a US citizen, you cannot use this brokerage. You'll have to use a US regulated broker. For everyone outside that, please use your passport to proceed. Okay, well, let's go continue. And guys, we do have the option here for using speed up your verification with some sub ID. So this will be a really cool way. You can click this and then you can just continue with your device. Please consent to all the things they are asking, guys. This is just so that you know that you're sending your information through and you're okay with them handling it. But like I said, if you don't take this process, you're not going to get into the accounts. Okay guys, so now once you're done with this, what's going to happen is it's going to prompt you for all this information and you're going to go forward with it. Okay guys, so now you can see that I have continued and it is literally now taking me through that sub, which I think maybe everyone should then therefore use. There's a new feature that I didn't know about until today. So that would be the best solution. So now guys, once you have your verification, what I do is once everything's been done, guys, you can literally go onto the left hand side here and go to accounts, and you can see that it says that you haven't actually verified your identity. So until that's done, you won't actually be able to take money out of the trading account. So for that reason, that's very good. So let's go and get a live account created. So we're going to click on here and you're going to see so many different opportunities here. This is great, guys, because if you're uncertain about trading, this is why you need a mentor. And when it comes to an account type, it's very specific to you. So what I do suggest for the ease of this, if you'd like to take advantage of the 100% bonus, you can take advantage of that. But what I would like you guys to actually do, because you're going to be learning with me, and a bonus doesn't really help you, in my opinion. You need to learn how to trade with what you got, not with what you don't have. That's technically credit. But for that sake, if you are a more experienced trader, I do suggest trying to take the 100% bonus because you'll know what you're doing with it. And then if you compound my strategies that I'm going to teach you guys later on in the life, then you will obviously do an incredible job. And guys, it's not like you can't open another account. You can have multiple accounts inside Space Market. So for that matter, so what I want you guys to choose for my training, I'm going to take the swap free ECN. Okay, that just means they're not going to charge if you hold your trades over a day. And remember, like I stated earlier, you're going to trade a daily trade or you're going to be trading weekly. Sometimes these trades will literally last weeks. So that means you're going to hold a trade for a longer period of time, which means you don't want to be charged for holding the trade. Every single other one of these accounts will make you get charged, and I'll explain that in the training. Okay, and if you want to trade in dollars, which I think is an incredible opportunity for anyone that wants to, because of how bad the rand is, that is a winning situation here. Any one of these guys, to be honest, is where we are going to focus. So for Calvin's sake, I'm going to ask him to trade with ZAR because he does. Guys, then I want you to choose the highest leverage here. Reason being, it doesn't even give you the option for anything else. Okay, that is perfect. 1 to 500. Yes, it's a great way to learn to trade. And we want a higher leverage, guys, because we've got a really good trading strategy to show you later on. Cool, now let's create this. Okay, now we're going to the deposit state. Okay guys, so now we got to the deposit side of this. I want you guys to use the instant deposit because if you're in South Africa, you're really going to love this. The bank transfers I suggest if you're in a different country. For this matter, let's get into the instant deposit because it is the easiest and fastest way to get this done. Getting money from your account into your trading account with the ease of just getting it. Bank transfers, guys, can take anything from 3 to 4 working days. You won't be able to get in and trade if you wanted to. Now, we're going to use this process. Please make sure you do this correctly. So we're first of all going to choose your account that it's going to go into, and then we're going to choose 1,500 Rand. Guys, I do suggest you use this amount. Okay, because trade for the whole entire month with this amount of money. So look at it as an investment into your trading history. Okay. Next is you're going to go currency here, choose the currency you want to trade with, like I suggested, and click continue. Guys, like I said, one of the best things you can use for the transfer into an account is Ozo. That's my preference, but guys, you can use crypto, you can use Visa, you can use MasterCard, you can use PayFast. They all work incredibly well. I just prefer using Ozo. It's quick, it's efficient, and it's incredibly well put together. Wait for it to load. You select your bank, okay? I'm FNB, Calvin isn't, but just show you for FNB purposes, and let's go. Now we'll say proceed. Now what you need to do, guys, is you're going to log into your account and you're going to deposit. I'm going to log into my FNB account quickly, just so you guys can see how simple this is. Okay guys, and now you can see the system has logged me into my credentials. There is my FNB account, there's my private client's credit card. These are the things we can literally take from and put the money into. Okay, I'm not going to process this now because it's going to go into Devon's account, but I just wanted to show you as a very effective way to get it done. Once it's done, guys, the money will be there in deposits, and it's a very simple thing to do. Okay, now what I want you guys to do after we've done all of this, okay, we want to make sure that you guys get the right trading platform. Go back to the client portal, and I want you guys to go down to downloads. You're going to download the MT5, it's your MetaTrader 5. You literally just going to click the word download here. I'm actually going to do it with you guys. The reason they don't even have MT4 anymore is because it's a better software to use and it's recently implemented. So let's go and do this. Download space markets. Now we're going to touch bases here. We're going to let this thing run. Bang. Okay, make sure it says space markets. Just go next. Let it configure everything. Bang, 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 bang. Now guys, this is going to take you here, but you're not going to use MT5 to create an account. You actually got space markets that's going to launch, and you're going to see it right there. Then you're going to say next. And now guys, your login details over here are literally in your... So now once you've downloaded that, and you can see I've got the space markets MT5 system open up here. On your phone will be a little bit different. I'll make another video for that for you guys, but we are literally just going to take the login details and put them in here. It's that simple. You don't have to worry about anything else. When it asks for login and password, you're going to go back to your accounts over here, and you're going to see all the information is inside here. See, this is deposit, this is withdrawal. We'll just click on it, and then it'll give you all the information you need. Once you get to this page, you're going to see that there is your login details. This is literally your MT5 system, and then you see the server you need to use, and then you can change your password, which I do suggest you do. So let's just make sure it's more than 8 characters, which just means anything is a character, an A, a plus, a 1, all of those are characters. So let me quickly do this. Now that I've created my password, let's click it. Bang. Okay, so I'm going to not do that. Let's leave that off. So guys, everything's here. We've got the login details. You know your password you've just created or written it down. Now we're going to jump into space here. I'm going to quickly click. I'm going to go V. So control there, and then I know my password by heart because I just created it. When you hear that, guys, and it says incoming mail, it is the trading account that you have. So if I had deposited the money beforehand, you would see over here, the money would be in my balance. Okay guys, and that's all you need to do to open up a trading account with Space Markets. Now, if you are very interested in getting mentored and getting education, please make sure you follow these steps exactly how I've done, and ensure that that partner code is there when you register. There will be links down in the description to join the trading room, and also to join the weekly trading that we do. And if you have any problems with verification or anything like that, please follow me on Instagram. I'll drop that at the bottom as well. Or you can email me at support@healthandwealthintegrated.com. That is the easiest way for you guys to get in, get traded, and get some mentorship in the right way. Okay, this takes long, but with the information and training I'm going to supply you with, this will be something you'll be able to do day in, day out, weekly, monthly, and yearly for the rest of your life. So without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment below if you need any help, and check in the trading room. Cheers.